Hello, welcome back to Mehitri German Academy. In our brand new video series, German Language and Your Career, we introduce you to and train you with some of the basic German vocabulary required in the professional world. Today's episode number 3 focuses on learning what are some of the tools which we require at the workplace called in German. We'll be also learning how to form simple German sentences describing the possession of these tools with a person. How? Let's begin. During the previous two episodes, we focused on training you with some of the basic German vocabulary required at your job. To watch the previous two episodes, click the appropriate link given in this video's description. Listen and repeat. The first term which we are going to learn today is der Laptop. Der Laptop, which means the laptop. Der Laptop. Next term is das Handy. Das Handy, which means the mobile phone. Das Handy. Next is die Schlüssel. Die Schlüssel, which means the keys. The keys which we use to securely lock and, more importantly, unlock our safes, office doors, room drawers, and even professional opportunities. Yes, learning the German language has many professional possibilities and opportunities. In fact, it is the Schlüssel to many such opportunities. How? That we will learn in the next video. For now, the keys are called as die Schlüssel. Next term is der Kuli. Der Kuli, which means the pen. Der Kuli. Next one is die Papiere. Die Papiere, which means the papers. Die Papiere. Next term is das Heft. Das Heft, which means the notebook. Das Heft. Now, using the vocabulary that we have just learnt, we are now learning how to form simple German sentences describing the possession of these tools with I, you, he, she, and so on. For example, if I wanted to say, I have the notebook, then in German it would be Ich habe das Heft. Ich habe das Heft. I have the notebook. If I wanted to say, you have the papers in the informal way, then I can say, du hast die Papiere. Du hast die Papiere, which means you have the papers. Fun fact, even the bosses in Germany, some of the companies are allowed to be called in the informal way, that is, in the du form. Next, if I wanted to say he has the mobile phone, if I wanted to say she has the mobile phone, or if I wanted to say it has the mobile phone in German, then same as in English, er hat das Handy. Er hat das Handy. Sie hat das Handy. Sie hat das Handy. Es hat das Handy. Es hat das Handy. Now, if I wanted to say we have the keys, we have the keys. In German, it would be wir haben die Schlüssel. Wir haben die Schlüssel. Now, what if I wanted to say you have the Now, what if I had to say you have the keys in the formal way? Then it would be Sie haben die Schlüssel. Sie haben die Schlüssel. You have the keys. Wait, notice something? There are two Z's. When we saw she, there is another Z. And now we are seeing one more Z. And what is the difference? The first Z with the S written in the lower case means she. And the second Z with the S written in uppercase, capital, means you in the formal way. So, to differentiate between the small z and the capital Z, simply look at the S. If it's in lowercase, it's she. If it's in uppercase, it's you. So, that was it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, cheers!